Recording now.
And away we go. Ooh, it's very windy. This is our first view of what happened in the blizzard of Oh Goody. Alright, walking through about a foot deep on the front sidewalk. This drift by my truck, probably 4 feet high. That's not going to be fun to snow blow through with my little snowblower. Very serene in the cul-de-sac. Neighbor waving, he's out first, he beat me. But this drift here, it's going to be interesting. Wow. Side of the truck. Are we going to empty that? No? Don't care? Ooh, fun. A good 3 feet high. Then I get to go plow that. That's going to be cool. How am I going to get through that? Oh well. There we are. Blizzard 11. Live it, love it.